Here's some more monkeys, I think, or maybe they're lemurs. No, they're monkeys. Look at them. They're very cute. They've got a fun enclosure here for them. Monkeys can swing.
Ah merde, t'as filmé mes pieds.
Another
Il se
little
balance,
one
ça
coming
va?
down.
Putain, un éléphant. Regarde l'autre là, il se balance devant la
They're very cute.
I'm a monkey.
Oh, it's gonna wrestle. They're gonna wrestle a little. This guy. Look at all of them, honey.
That's fun.
He's getting some leaves. He's going up and eating them. Oh gosh.
That's fun, huh?
Yeah.
Does it say what they are?
Monkeys. They got a nice place to play, and then they have this for you to see if you can hold on like the monkeys do.
You want to do it?
No. No. It's the entrance to the monkeys. Look at those pretty plants. These pretty plants. They almost look like palms. Some kind of palm. Don't they, honey?
What's that?
Look like a palm?
Yeah, they do. I hear a lot of monkeys somewhere.
Okay, well, we'll go find those.